now we're on our Tech Talk overview of MOVEit and WhatsUp Gold solutions. We're talking about how does MOVEit and WhatsUp Gold help you stay secure. And we're joined by our eminent speakers, Naresh Kumar, Director Regional Sales Development, EMT Distribution Meta. Naresh is a strategically acute and a target-driven leader with a wealth of international experience of 21 years within the information technology, telecom, retail industry, having worked for Forbes 500 brands. Thank you so much, Naresh, for joining us today live.
Thank you. Pleasure is all mine.
And ladies and gentlemen, we also have Yusein Shen, a partner account manager progress, joining us. Yusein has an expertise in digital experience platform, data connectivity, network monitoring, and secure data transfer solutions for new businesses. He's also responsible for channel partners and direct end users. Thank you so much, Yusein, for joining us today live.
Hi, Vana. Thank you, everyone.
Pleasure. So, ladies and gentlemen, in the next 15 minutes, let's have a great discussion with Yusein and Naresh on your stage and screen. With this, I pass it out to our eminent speakers for today. Thank you. Over to you.
Thank you. I just want to know, can everyone view my screen?
Yes, we can, but there's also the next slide showing in the main view. Is that okay?
Oh, all right. Okay. I think I'll probably stop that. It's a PDF, so I guess that's the reason for it, but that's all right, no worries.
Sure.
Not any confidential information on there, so it's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, no, that's fine. Thank you for Bhavna for the nice introduction of Yusein and I. I want to actually wish everyone a good afternoon and hello everyone for today's session. You know, it's a pleasure to present to a wider audience about Progress and EMT and our partnership on network monitoring and managed file transfer. As Bhavna rightly also pointed out, Yusein is also going to be joining me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a kind of like a holistic yet a quick breeze on who we are, EMT, and we are value-added distributors for cybersecurity in APAC, Europe, as well as we stretch all the across in Middle East and now recently in India. Great. So our inception has been since 1989. That's when the company was founded. Our corporate office is based in Australia with the regional Southeast expansion office in Hong Kong, Singapore, Philippines, to name a few. We started our European operation in 2018. 2013 was when we started the META operation based out of in Dubai. So I'm currently based there, and we've recently expanded in 2020 with our first office in Kenya, and the plan is to open up more offices in Nigeria and South Africa. Last year was challenging, no doubt about that. And we've heard that in numerous presentations and speakers. But one thing that also was important was Africa actually braced and embraced itself for COVID. And we saw a huge traction on network securities, cybersecurity, to name a few. And I think one good aspect was that, it's always good to learn from the previous happenings. And I think it was an eye-opener from what has happened with the earlier, I would say, disasters of SARS and Ebola. Now, that is in a quick nutshell about our inception. So as I mentioned earlier, we're value-added distributors with our reach footprints in almost 9 countries. We've got about 7,500 enterprise customers. We've got about 13,000 trusted partners. So we actually believe in a heterogeneous reseller base, which means, we identify partners, we elevate partners, and we empower them. So that's what is our mantra is. What we also do is, one idea is to sell and solutions and products, but the other thing is also to build up a team of certified sales and technical professions. And we do that by in-house training and certification providers. So we're also the authorized partners for WhatsUp Gold, Certain Access, to name a few. I've already talked about our mission, and our mission is basically to be a value-added services in all the countries where we actually have a presence. And how do we do that? We do that by our vision in being in the areas of different practice. And our areas of different practices range from security to consulting and ICT management. So clockwise, anti-clockwise, however you want to look at it, network, as well as in education. I'm more than happy to talk and elaborate about this, but given the fact that I know that we've got a 15 minutes schedule where, me and Yusein have to actually present quite a bit, I'm still there for the entire duration of the Cyber Summit. So please feel free to reach out to us. Um, you know, just want to give a quick shout out to the awards and recognitions that we have. On the top end is basically the awards, and I think the best recognition is your customers. And these are some of the leading customers in the Middle East as well as in Africa. So 10 of the largest government entities are our customers. 6 of the largest oil and gas companies, as well as the banks in Africa, and the telcos are our proud customers, and we are very glad to be on a long-term clientele relation with them. To wrap it up, again, this is what we do. This is our area of practice, and this is our value proposition and our core competencies ranging from cybersecurity to consulting to network, MSP, education, and finally to industrial. And now I'm going to pass this on to my esteemed colleague Yusein, who would talk about progress and what do we bring and how do we protect the African ecosystem. Over to you, Yusein. Thank you.
Thank you, Naresh. Let me present my screen. Hi, everyone. I would like to thank you for taking time today joining us. Also to thank organizers for giving us an opportunity to speak here. My name is Yusein. I'm partner account manager for Middle East, Turkey, and Africa regions here at Progress. And I'm looking after channel partners, end users, all the product portfolio in the region. I will talk today a little bit about Progress, our company, and our both solutions, MOVEit and WhatsUp Gold solutions. So who is Progress? Progress has been founded in 1981. We are celebrating our 40th year anniversary this year, and we are a public company. So we are traded under the PRGC ticker in New York Stock Exchange. So Progress is recognized as a leader in app development technologies. In almost 40 years, we have always delivered platforms and the tools that organizations needs to develop and deploy mission critical business applications. And given our reach and breadth of technologies, there are over 6 million business users and hundreds of millions consumers that using our products. And we have a strong revenue, which you can see the increase from 2018 to 19, and we also invest more than 20% of our revenue back to the product and research development. So this is a very high level of view of that what we are doing at Progress. And we are covering all the modern application architecture. With this one, we are enabling our customers and development of cognitive applications by providing adaptive experiences and applications that support all the touch points of the applications. So we have native apps, responsive apps, progressive apps, conversational applications, and this adaptive experience needs to be supported by the cloud applications, where you can see on the second line. I will not. I'm aware of the time, and I will not go deep on this one. So where these all applications and the services fit in our product portfolio, here in the next slide you will see where do they fit. So this is how do they fit into our portfolio. We have native script, Kendo user interface, Telerik, native chat on the adaptive experiences and cognitive cloud part. We have Corticon, business rules management engine. We have Sitefinity, which is our CMS solution, and OpenEdge for the application development. Today, I will talk more about connected data part, which is Progress MOVEit, which helps you to transfer the data and all the files that you need securely, and a little bit of network monitoring solution, WhatsUp Gold. And before I just go to MOVEit, you can see the some of successful customers of ours across the industries. I will just give you a couple of seconds to check our references in this screen. So let's go on with the MOVEit solution that we are providing. What is MOVEit? MOVEit is a secure and compliant managed file transfer solution, which has actually 3 components, which is called MOVEit Transfer, and then MOVEit Cloud, and MOVEit Automation. MOVEit Transfer provides you security, management, and visibility to ensure all the reliable regulatory compliances such as GDPR, HIPAA, PCI, etc. MOVEit Cloud provides all the MOVEit transfers security, reliability, and compliance features. And it is a cloud-based service. Then we have MOVEit Automation, which gives you capability to have automation capabilities without the need of for script. You can also use it with the script. And MOVEit also earned 2020 Managed File Transfer Data Quadrant in the gold medal. So basically, Progress MOVEit provides you the complete visibility and control over the file transfer activities of sensitive data between your partners, your customers, users, and systems. It is deployed on premise or on cloud, and the automation capabilities gives you a workflow creation features. And the most important part is here, it's auditable security. You can see everything about your file transfers. So here's the basic problems that we are solving. We securely transfer business critical information, secure and control the data transfers of the critical data between users and locations. We automate the workflows and ensure the compliance. It's enabled and easy, and users having secure access. Here are the key features of MOVEit. It gives you a secure file transfer and transfers automation with or without scripts. It gives you capability to audit and secure folder sharing, live view dashboards for those transfers, file transfers. We have ad hoc capabilities. We have secure access control, mobile application where you can use your phone to send the files or anything you need. And it has a REST and Java API support. We have MuleSoft integration, and we have failover. So here are the key benefits. This is a very powerful and easy to use secure file transfer tool. And it moves any size of file with complete visibility for your partners, clients, and customers. It encrypts the data both in transit and at rest on a secure hardened platform for maximum security. And as I mentioned before too, it has HIPAA, GDPR, PCI, most of the required compliance and regulation needs. So we also offer fast and easy third-party onboarding and internal collaboration capabilities, which is drag and drop secure folder sharing. The next one is I'm going to talk a little bit WhatsUp Gold solution. WhatsUp Gold provides you network availability and performance monitoring. This is a full high-end product with all the capabilities that you will see in the next slide. It gives you an entire view for your network. At one glance, you can have your customized dashboards and see all the network. So it it helps you to proactively resolve your network problems before it is escalated by your end users. So here are the main problems we are solving. You can see all your network status at glance. You can monitor everything actually connected to your network. It could be cameras, IP cams, it could be devices, production machines, anything is with the IP address, basically. It also has alerting capabilities, can send you an email, SMS, text, Slack notifications. So your IT teams will be notified whenever there is a problem immediately. So WhatsUp Gold lets you find and fix the network problems very fast before it's escalated, and which is a really a big issue for the current IT teams. So it has a unique and interactive mapping interface. It just gives you capability to see up and down and performance at a glance for everything connected to your network. It also has a cloud offering, and it also has deployment models on the it also has capabilities to monitor on-premise and cloud AVS or Azure environments. So here are the key features of WhatsUp Gold. It installs in a couple of minutes, actually 20-25 minutes. You can install and it automatically discovers everything connected to your network. It has the ability to monitor via all the standard industry protocols, intuitive mapping interface. We have device-based licensing, so it doesn't confuse you. If you have 100 device, you get 100 device, or if it's 300. Drag and drop dashboard and reporting. We have network traffic monitoring, virtual infrastructure monitoring. You can monitor applications such as databases or line of business applications you have built. You can monitor all your network, wireless network includes, and cloud environments. We also have a REST API support and also configuration management. It is not mentioned here, but also the log management capabilities. So you can just use that for all the devices, any device that you want to see. So here are a couple of benefits. As I mentioned before, it's very powerful and easy to use network monitoring tool. It includes out of the box alerts, and they are customizable. It's very easy to use. So it shows also your network traffic for the bandwidth analysis. You can also have access to dark web bandwidth, also see which IP is using most bandwidth. And the main benefit of the product, actually, it helps your IT staff proactively to find and fix the problems before they are escalated. Thank you, and I hope I'm on time. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me a direct message on the platform.
Perfect.
Have a nice day.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Yusein. And in fact, I was just going to announce the same for both our eminent speakers. If you'd like to get in touch with them with regards to your questions, if you may have with the presentation in mind, you can touch base with Yusein and Naresh privately as well. Naresh, would you like to share your email ID or anything? Or can they reach out to you on LinkedIn?
They can reach out to us on LinkedIn. Yet I think we've also got our business cards, and if we've got a booth as well. So I'm actually over there. Feel free to drop in your business card, and I will personally reply to everyone.
Perfect.
Get in touch. Thank you.
Thank you, Yusein, and thank you, Naresh, for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Pleasure. All the best.
Pleasure is all ours.